What you just watched was a full 30-second AI video generated with Dreamina Seedance 2.5. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I created it from start to finish. But more importantly, I'm going to show you a much easier way to build the prompt behind it. Because normally, creating a longer AI video like this means thinking about the character, the story, the environment, the camera, the visual style, the timing, and a lot of other details before you even hit generate. That can get complicated very quickly. So instead of manually rebuilding all of that every time, I'm going to show you how I use a reusable AI skill to turn a simple idea written in natural language into a complete structured video prompt. For the actual video generation, we're going to use Dreamina. If you haven't used Dreamina before, it's ByteDance's AI-powered creative platform for generating images and videos from prompts and visual references. And Dreamina is now launching Dreamina Seedance 2.5 globally first on Dreamina. One of the biggest things I want to test today is how well Dreamina Seedance 2.5 can combine multiple reference images with a structured prompt to create a full cinematic sequence in one single generation. Alright, let's get started. I've put the skill inside a GitHub repository, and I'll leave the link in the description. Once you open the repository, you'll find a simple command you can copy to pull the skill into the coding agent you're using. In my case, I'm using Codex. So I'll copy this command and run it on my machine to install the skill into Codex's local skills directory. And once that finishes, you can see that a new folder called Seedance Video Director has been added to my list of skills. That means the skill is now available inside Codex. So now we can open Codex and actually use it. For this example, I've already prepared several reference images for the characters I want to use in the video. I'll add those reference images directly into the chat so the model can understand exactly which characters I'm working with. And now, instead of writing a massive production prompt myself, I can simply call the Seedance Video Director Skill and describe my idea. I can tell it the basic story I want to create, the style I'm going for, the mood, the type of camera movement, and any other creative direction that matters to me. I don't need to worry about manually formatting the subject, timeline, environment, camera, audio, or reference instructions. The skill already understands how that structure should be built. So I'll give it my idea, attach the character references, and let it turn everything into a complete Seedance video prompt. And after a little while, here's what we get. This is our full production prompt. Now the skill has turned that simple idea into a complete cinematic prompt, with character consistency, timeline, camera, audio, and visual direction already structured for us. So instead of writing all of that manually, we started with one idea and a few reference images. Now the prompt is ready. The references are ready, so the next step is to take both of them into Dreamina and see what Dreamina Seedance 2.5 can actually do with them. First, make sure to select Seedance 2.5 in Omni Reference mode. Omni Reference is Dreamina's multimodal reference mode, which means Seedance 2.5 can follow different types of input files, including images, videos, and audio, much more accurately. That makes it much easier to keep the visual direction, character consistency, and overall creative intent aligned with the references you provide. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 also introduces another really useful feature called Smart Edit. This is a powerful local AI video editing feature that lets you fix or change a specific part of a generated video without affecting the entire surrounding scene. So if there's one small mistake or one detail you want to adjust, you don't need to spend extra credits regenerating the whole video from scratch. For this generation though, we're going to use Omni Reference to see how well the prompt we created with the skill performs. Next, I'll set the video format, resolution, and duration. For this test, I'm generating a 30-second video in 720p, using a landscape aspect ratio. After that, I'll paste the full prompt we just created into the text prompt box here. Then I'll drag in the two reference images I prepared earlier. Inside the prompt, the reference images are mentioned by text, so I'll quickly update those reference labels to match the images I just uploaded. Once everything is in place, we're ready to generate. So now I'll click Generate, and Dreamina will begin creating the video. Because we already have a full prompt that gives us much more control over the character, timeline, style, and overall direction, we can reduce the chances of having to regenerate the video multiple times and waste extra credits. And if I do want to fix something later, I can always use Smart Edit, just like I mentioned earlier, to make smaller changes without having to render the whole thing again. Alright, after a little while, we'll have the full 30-second video ready. Let's check the result. And here it is, the full 30-second video generated with Dreamina Seedance 2.5. We started with a simple idea, used the skill to turn it into a structured prompt, added our reference images, and generated the full cinematic sequence in one go. And if there's anything I want to fine-tune, I can always use Smart Edit instead of regenerating the entire video. And if you want to try Dreamina Seedance 2.5 yourself, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.